Okay, you see this where we're looking at 0, and now it's a thicker line. Now you don't have to worry about the rest of these tabs. We'll just concentrate on the Fibbo Levels tab here, tab number 2. Now once you have all that done, go ahead and click on OK. Now you can see that my line's got quite a bit thicker, and it's a bit easier to see now. So what have we done here? Now remember, what we're trying to decide is which low to use. Here's the key. Remember, if we're trying to go back and decide which one of these lows here, here, or here, anywhere along here, is worthy for us to use. I'll show you the key. It's very simple. Start all the way back to the left. Remember, you want to zoom out as far as you can go and start way over here on the left. And what I'm going to do is measure each one of these moves. So I'm going to start here with this one. Then I'm going to go to this one. Next, I'm going to go to this one. Then I'm going to go to this one. And then this one. And this one. And then finally, these last two here. Okay, so we're going to measure all of these moves to decide which one of the lows we're going to use. And we're going to go through this one at a time. The key to this technique is this single level right here, the 38.2% retracement. This is the minimum. The minimum that we need the market to move in order to consider the low as valid. Okay, let me show you what I mean now. When price moves up and then starts coming down, it needs to get to this level at a minimum in order for me to consider this low going forward. Okay? In other words, if the market had only come down to here and made a low and started moving up, then I would not use that low. I would have to use a different one, maybe this one or this one. But as you can see, this one moved down actually to the 50% retracement. So this low is valid. So as I start to look forward in time, I could draw a line, or I could look at a Fibonacci from this low to this high. Okay, now remember, I said we have to keep track. So either write a note or keep a mental note or something, and remember that this low here is valid. Okay, now we click on this once, delete it. Then we go up to the Fibonacci level again. Now we're going to move and measure this one. The properties box pops up again. We click OK. Now what are we looking for? We're looking to see, is this low or this low valid? And you can see here's the 38% level at the top. This one is definitely